What if everything you thought you understood about existence was nothing more than the shoreline of an infinite ocean? Imagine peering beyond the veil of the observable and stepping into a realm where the laws of reality shimmer, bend, and sometimes completely break. This journey isn't to a place you can find on a map, but to the deepest mysteries of our cosmos, the birthplace of life, the strange machinery of the quantum world, and humanity's own emerging power to create. Welcome to the edge of creation. Prepare to have your mind expanded, your assumptions challenged, and your sense of wonder ignited as we explore the frontiers where science, myth, philosophy, and the unimaginable converge into a single breathtaking narrative. Our cosmic story begins not with silence, but with a roar beyond comprehension. The Big Bang. 13.8 billion years ago, everything, every galaxy, star, atom, and thought that would ever exist was compressed into a single point smaller than an atom. No space, no time, no matter, and then expansion. Not an explosion in space, but the creation of space itself. Within trillionths of a second, the universe surged outward in a phenomenal burst known as cosmic inflation, stretching space-time faster than light, shaping the cosmic architecture we live in today. The infant universe was no paradise. It was a searing fog of plasma where light couldn't travel freely, constantly scattering off electrons in a cosmic storm. These were the true dark ages, not because light was absent, but because it was trapped. Hundreds of millions of years passed before the universe cooled enough for electrons and protons to merge into the first atoms, and when that happened, light broke free. That ancient light is still traveling across billions of years until it reaches us today as the cosmic microwave background, a baby picture of the universe itself. But this baby picture also raises deeper questions, because even after centuries of discoveries, we understand less than half of what the universe is made of. There is dark matter, the invisible scaffolding keeping galaxies intact, and dark energy, an even stranger force driving galaxies apart at accelerating speeds. And at the center of modern cosmology lies a contradiction. The Hubble tension, a conflict between early universe measurements and modern observations of how fast the universe is expanding. Some think this means new physics. Others believe dark energy may be evolving or behaving in ways we never expected. Whatever the answer is, it's waiting for us at the edge of creation. From the scale of galaxies, we drop to the shores of a young Earth 4 billion years ago. A world of volcanic chaos, lightning, primordial oceans simmering with chemicals. From this harsh environment emerged the first whispers of life. The RNA world hypothesis suggests RNA was both the builder and the blueprint capable of storing information and catalyzing reactions. But where did the building blocks come from? Asteroid Bennu revealed ribose glucose and organic molecules essential to life's chemistry, implying Earth was seeded, not just forged. Deep in the oceans, hydrothermal vents created rich chemical gradients that acted like primitive batteries, enabling the creation of ammonium and other critical compounds without sunlight. And then there are coservates self-organizing droplets that behave like protocells. They replicate, they divide, they could be the missing link between chemistry and biology. The more we learn, the clearer it becomes. Life may not be a miracle, but a natural consequence of the universe. Now we plunge into the quantum realm, a place where intuition dies and reality becomes fluid. Here, particles exist in superposition, multiple states at once, choosing only when observed. Particles separated by galaxies remain entangled, affecting each other instantly. Wave-particle duality shows that matter behaves as both waves and particles, depending on how we observe it. Nothing here is solid, nothing is certain, nothing behaves the way we expect. Quantum physics doesn't just break our understanding, it replaces it with something stranger. Reality is made of probabilities. Information may be more fundamental than matter. The universe may behave like a computation rather than a machine. The quantum frontier is not microscopic. It is the blueprint behind every atom, every star, every heartbeat. This is creation at the smallest scale. We now stand at a new edge, one created not by the cosmos, but by human minds. For the first time in history, creativity is no longer exclusively biological. Artificial intelligence composes symphonies, paints masterpieces, writes stories, designs molecules for medicine, builds virtual worlds from nothing but text. We are shaping a new creative species, non-biological, non-organic, but undeniably powerful. But with this new frontier come profound questions. If AI can create endlessly, what defines human originality? Is creativity tied to consciousness? Or can it exist without it? And as AI evolves, how will we redefine what it means to be human? Most believe the future lies in partnership, a synergy where human curiosity and emotion blend with the speed of AI to create something neither could achieve alone. Humanity is not being replaced, it is being augmented. We've crossed billions of years and unimaginable scales, from the birth of the universe to the first spark of life, to the quantum machinery beneath reality, to the rise of artificial intelligence. Each boundary, each edge of creation, isn't an endpoint, it's an invitation to explore further. Cosmology pushes us toward new physics. Abiogenesis brings us closer to understanding life's origins. Quantum mechanics questions the nature of reality itself. AI challenges us to rethink creativity and intelligence. The universe is a grand unfolding mystery, and we are conscious participants in its story. So ask yourself, what part of creation fascinates you the most? What mysteries keep you awake at night? If this journey awakened wonder in you, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves exploring the unknown. Our next adventure begins at the next edge of creation.